And if you all haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel first, because today I have an amazing announcement to do, and in which I want all of you to take part and win this amazing giveaway. By the title of this video, you all already know what this video is gonna be all about, and I'm so excited for this giveaway because I remember my last giveaway was exactly a year ago, and that time I had crossed 500 subscribers, and almost after a year now I have completed another 500 subscribers, and finally the team of Hello Gorgeous has crossed 1000 subscribers, and I'm so happy, and the credit goes to all of you. And I will tell you all about this amazing giveaway. So first thing I want to tell you all is why I'm doing this giveaway. I have recently crossed my 1000 subscribers and 1000 followers on Instagram. So there are a few rules which you all bound to follow while entering in this giveaway, and the rules will be given by me, and I am subjected to change those rules because situations are like that in this world right now, and we all need to follow and support each other in this situation. I won't waste any more time again, and I will introduce you all to the rules. The rules are pretty simple. You just have to follow that, and that's it. You will be automatically entered in my giveaway. And by the way, if you want to know what I'm gonna give in my giveaway, you have to watch this video till the end, so you will get to know what I'm gonna give as a surprise and as a gift. It's not actually a surprise because all of you will be already knowing, but if you all want to know, you have to watch this video till the end. So the first rule is you have to be the subscriber of my channel, and as this giveaway is open for around 20 days, if you unsubscribe within those 20 days, you are automatically out of my giveaway. So yes, you have to take care of that. The second rule is you have to follow me on my Instagram, and of course the following unfollowing rule applies to the same. Third rule is tell at least 5 friends or family of yours about my channel, and tell them to comment below this video anything with your name, so that I will know the friends and family is related to you. And yes, you have completed this rule of the giveaway. And the last rule is same thing again, but just for Instagram. You have to tag any of 5 of your friends or family below my Instagram giveaway post. I will be putting a post about giveaway on my Instagram page, below which you will tag 5 of your friends and say anything you like about my channel, or you can comment anything. There's no boundary. So if you feel these are a little confusing, I'm gonna write down all the rules below this video as I talk. Also, there will be everything in my description box below. There will be a link to my YouTube channel, there will be a link to my Instagram page. So yes, you will find everything below this video. Again, I want to tell you all, this giveaway is open for 20 days starting from the uploading date of this video. Last thing I want to tell is, unfortunately, this giveaway is open only for the people residing in US right now, because all of you know the COVID has done so many things to all of us that I am not able to send or courier or do anything to any other country. I have asked many courier companies and all, but yes, right now this is not possible for me to send anything to any other country. There are people who are not able to travel. I think it is really hard for me to send anything to anybody other than USA right now. So yes, this giveaway is open for now only for people residing in United States. But if you guys help me to reach 2000 subscribers, I'm gonna do one more giveaway, and the prize will be better than this. So the last but not least, I want to show you all what I'm gonna give as a giveaway. If you all have been following my Instagram, I had already told what I'm gonna give in giveaway. Actually, one of you guys have suggested me to do this, and I really like the idea. So the giveaway prize will be this Polaroid speaker in a beautiful pink color, and it is a very big speaker. You can like literally see the size. It is a Bluetooth portable speaker, and it is a fabric speaker. You can check out the link for this. I will also put a link for this below this video in my description box. And it is amazing. I'm so excited for you guys and to see who's gonna win. The speaker is still seal packed, you all can see. And yeah, I'm so happy. Let's see who wins this beautiful surprise. Please do enter in the giveaway. It's gonna be amazing. Great chance to have a freebie. And yeah, keep on watching my videos, and I hope you all like this video. And looking forward to amazing comments and amazing replies on my Instagram as well as on my YouTube. So yeah, I'll meet you guys in my next video. Keep on watching my videos, keep on liking, sharing. I'm gonna give you a secret tip. There are more chances if you comment more, if you like more, if you make people follow me more. So yes, so guys, in my next video, and till then, bye bye.